It doesn't matter what language they speak. It doesn't matter where in the world that they are. And we can do full real-time diagnostic for them. And we can very, very clearly tell and prove if the child is autistic or not. And so we're using different technologies, the ability to be able to read voice, to be able to analyze that voice, to be able to use, AI, RAG database to validate that. We have about 12 years of real life AI cases that we can validate exactly what we're doing. And what's really cool about that is it's not just like an American solution that you go down to your doctor and get that. We've built it so that you can diagnose children anywhere in the world in any language. So, for example, we're partnering with a group in Australia right now that they're focused on Aboriginal children, as well as a group that's focused on Native American children, as well as groups that are focused in LA on the variety of different languages and cultures that are spoken here. So, we've spoken with groups in the Middle East. So it doesn't really matter what your language is. It doesn't matter what your culture is. It doesn't matter where in the world that you are because the entire platform is browser based. So many of the different current autism diagnostic tools, you have to actually go to an office someplace. And then you need to have that speech therapist that's there. And you have to go through all of the stuff. But if you have an autistic child, one of the things that you'll see, many of them, just to get them out of the house, to get them in the car, to get them in the clinic, to get them to do what you want to do when you're in the clinic, and to get them from under the table. I mean, these are real challenges that parents have with autistic children. So to be able to go ahead and have that diagnostic from home, that's something that just really, really doesn't exist today and in any language. So we've built that. Our company for this is Autism Inventory, and that's one of our portfolio within our venture studio.